Now let's have a look at how you can upload your pre-recorded videos to your YouTube channel. Let's go. On YouTube, you will always see this plus button around the top right region. When you click on it, you will be given two options: to upload a video or to go live. In this video, we will only concentrate on how to upload videos. So click on the upload video link, which will bring you to this screen. YouTube is now asking you to select the video files that you want to upload. And yes, you can upload more than one video at once. Let's try uploading a video now. You can click on the Select Files button, select the video you wish to upload, and then click on Open. The uploading process has now begun, and you will see the name of the video file you uploaded here. The progress bar at the bottom tells you what percentage of your video has been uploaded. After the video is uploaded, YouTube will take a few seconds to process it, and then you will see the finished processing sign. At this point, you're ready to add the details about your video. The first step is to add a title and a description of your video. They should both be short, crisp, and must also include important keywords. Having good titles and descriptions will not only help your viewers, but will also help you with Google search rankings, more watch time, and more subscribers. Yes, good titles and descriptions will help your channel grow significantly. The top part should always contain the actual description of your video. And then you could add your school website link or your YouTube channel subscription link and so on. So the description box is not just about the description of your video, but a lot more. Another important aspect of the video that many people overlook on YouTube is the custom thumbnail option. What's a thumbnail? A thumbnail is an image you upload along with your video that helps your viewers understand what your video is all about with a glance. You can also call it a marketing image for your video. You will get to upload a custom thumbnail only after your account is verified in good standing. We will see how to do that in the upcoming videos. You are also expected to truthfully answer these questions here. If your content is made for kids, then you need to select this option. This helps YouTube create a safer environment for children. If your content is not made for kids, select the second option here and here as well. You should know that YouTube has specific definitions for the term made for kids. To know more about it, check out the link in the description below. Let's mark it as made for kids here. You can also click on more options and fill in more details about your video. You should especially focus on the tags section. Add all the important tag words related to your video. These tags could be something that many students search for. You could also then select the education category here. So what next? Clicking on next will lead you to the video elements page. These are additional overlays you can use on your video to lead your viewers to your other videos. And then we come to the last stage of visibility, which gives you 4 options. If you keep it public, then anybody who visits YouTube could watch your video. If your video is unlisted, then only people with your video link will be able to watch your video and nobody will be able to find it by just searching on YouTube. And if you keep it private, then you could share it with specific people only by adding their Gmail IDs. To understand this better, take a moment to pause this video and check out this table. But many times we don't want to publish the videos immediately. So YouTube also gives us this option to schedule a video. For now, let's keep it public. With this, your video is now uploaded and ready to reach the world. You could also then go to the My Channel option on the top right corner and you will see your video under the Videos tab here. So now you know how you can upload your videos to your YouTube channel. The next session will be very interesting. I'll talk about how you can go live on YouTube. See you there.